Into the Wild, Part 2. Tracking the Panther of Nagarhole. Presentation prepared by Mrs. Sujata Ali. Shaz Jung is a wildlife photographer, a cinematographer, big cat tracker, man-animal conflict resolution, and lodge owner, all rolled into one. When he is away from the jungles of Nagarhole, officially called the Rajiv Gandhi National Park, he is leading photography safaris in Africa or showcasing his work at art galleries in capital cities and speaking to those interested in conserving the planet's riches. Shaz recalls with great clarity the incident that ultimately led to his answering the call of the felines, meaning belonging to the cat or other members of the cat family, over a wonderful career dedicated to finance. It was somewhere around sunset. They were at a junction. The deer were calling, he says, and they went around a blind turn, and suddenly up the path was an old leopard. You could clearly tell that this leopard was past his prime. The jungle had taken a toll on him, meaning that he had now become quite old. He only had 3 canines remaining. His eyes were sagging. Close to this leopard was another very young, good-looking male leopard who was soon to come into his prime. It was like looking at the past and the present. It was clear that there was going to be a fight. Unfortunately, the sun was setting and they had to leave. But the next morning, they went back to the same spot. Sitting on a high rock was that young leopard. Blood was dripping from a gash across his face. He sat there like he was the king of the jungle. Shaz knew right then that this young leopard had taken over and that it was the beginning of a new journey as well as for Shaz. Photographs of that leopard, the victor Scarface, as Shaz named him, not only made Shaz famous among India's wildlife community, but also led to Shaz's enviable reputation as a chronicler, namely meaning a person who writes account of important historical events of the wild. Scarface was the name given to the leopard who was the victor. It not only made Shaz famous among India's wildlife community, but also gave him an enviable reputation as a chronicler of the wild. It helped him to discover other leopards, his mates, and also discovered his enemies, namely the tigers. His biggest achievement is the discovery of Saya, the world's first black panther, who is Shaz's current project. Since the past several months, Shaz has been documenting Saya's each and every movement and has managed to collect precious footage of the animal mating and doing his best in creating one of the finest documentaries on the Black Panther's life. Saya, Scarface and Pardus, the leopard that lost to Scarface, have also led Shaz down a different path of discovery. Having learnt about the loss of the habitat of the leopards and tigers, Shahs created the Buffer Conflict Resolution Trust of India. It is an agency that educates villagers who live on the edge of the forest on the importance of conservation. These villagers are living in the heart of the man-animal conflict zone. There is no specific buffer zone around Nagarhole. The core area of the forest ends where the fields begin. In dry season, elephants and wild boars attacks are very common. Older leopards like Pardus who have lost territory in the forest often carry away livestock from the villages. This creates hatred among locals towards the animals, which sometimes leads to unpleasant situations. Putting tourist currency to good use under the BCRTI umbrella, Shahs provides local villagers with vocational training, educates locals on the merits of conservation, helps them benefit from tourist currency. Visitors living at the Bison Resort are welcome to teach any skill of their choice to the villagers. With the acquired skills, locals find employment with any of the numerous wildlife resorts in the region. Madegowda is one such local agriculturist who is trained at BCRTI and is now a certified naturalist employed by the bison. In the past, he had lost 80% of the season's yield of sugarcane to animal attacks. Hence, he had started to hate animals. But now, after working at bisons, he knows the importance of animals and the need to protecting them. He has also started working as a guide for the tourists who visit the Nagarhole sanctuary and also gets paid for it. Thus, he feels the animals up him back and he is very happy to make this extra income. The forests have taught him many things. The forest continuously communicates through the voices of birds and animals. Tracking an animal also teaches us life lessons. Listening is far more important than sight. The Black Panther has taught him to be patient. Most important of all, it has taught him never to stop discovering. There are a lot of amazing experiences to learn and share with the world. The end. Thank you for watching. This presentation has been prepared by Mrs. Sujata Ali.